Rockstar skater, rockstar. Yeah. Hang with some skaters, I hang with some rockstars. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. I hang with some rockstars. I hang with some skaters. We duck in the cop car. Can't even speak about it. We better slide, we better grind, yeah. Told in that five. If I gotta play, then I'm gonna slide. Can't toss with everybody, they jumping down. I move like a bandit, I skip to the loop, and now everybody said it's a crime. I'm spanking my child, Oscar. I'm making my move. I got a bucket, I acquired the crowd. Trade young, ooh. Wow. I'm grinding real dirty. I'm grinding real dirty. If a hater finding my way, get out the way, I'm making a way. Holes on my shoes, been skating for days. I'm smoking that good dope in hallways. It was dirty piss and rinse needles. I had to find me a new way. I had to fuck with the golf boys, roll up a dollar, yeah, we getting speedy. I can't fuck with the Uncle Tom, he getting in the way, yeah, I'm doing them greasy. Skate. They get in the way, then I'm making a new face. I keep it 150, that's a slice to the face. Roll up that pressure, yeah. To the face. It's Marvin the Martian, I hotbox the whip, then I take off the space. Rolling, I'm rolling off some drugs I can't feel my face. I'm rolling. Rock and roll, yeah, I get it roly poly. Skate park vibes to the back of the five. Don't even trip, rock stars on the side. Go be the teeth they found in the mind. Business, so I'm worried about mine. Skate it. Look at the way that I skate it. I'm on the move, so I gotta shred it. Skate it. I got money on this route, so I'm out yeah, I gotta bet it. Skate it. I'm skating. If I gotta play, then I'm gonna slide. Can't toss with everybody, they jumping down. I move like a bandit, I skip to the loop, and now everybody said it's a crime. I'm spanking my child, Oscar. I'm making my move. I got a bucket, I acquired the crowd. Trade young, ooh. Wow. I'm grinding real dirty. If a hater finding my way, get out the way, I'm making a way. Holes on my shoes, been skating for days. I'm smoking that good dope in hallways. It was dirty piss and rinse needles. I had to find me a new way.